Welcome to Gunwal classes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello, I KK Yadav welcomes you all in our new exercise. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verifying the relationship between zeros and coefficients. What do you mean by zeros? Value of x which satisfy the expression. What do you mean by coefficient? Number written before variable. Here coefficient is 1, here coefficient is 2 and this is constant term. If degree is 2, so maximum zeros are 2. Maximum zeros are 2 means two values are there. I am assuming alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the two values of x which will satisfy this expression. If we add these two terms, if we add alpha plus beta, then this will be equal to b by a. What is b? Minus b by a. I will explain what is b, what is a. If we multiply these zeros, it will be equal to c by a. What is c? I will explain, don't worry. For example, general equation of quadratic polynomial. General equation of quadratic polynomial. A x square plus b x plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. क्वाड्रेटिक है, इट मीन्स एक्सपोनेंट 2 होना चाहिए, तो 2 जिसका भी एक्सपोनेंट है वेरिएबल का उसका कोएफिशिएंट 0 नहीं हो सकता. अगर 0 हो गया तो ये टर्म 0 हो गई, तो ये लीनियर बन गई, तो इसलिए a कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म इज a, second term is b, third term is c after arranging in order. After arranging them in order, first of all you have to arrange in this order, then we are considering this as a. Coefficient of x variable is b and constant term is c. C is constant term, b is the coefficient of linear variable and a is the coefficient of quadratic variable. I hope it's clear. Now first of all we will calculate zeros. Which two values satisfy this given expression? Look here, this term is negative. I am using, there are multiple ways to solve this expression. I am solving this expression with by splitting middle term. This is middle term. We will break the middle term in two parts such that if we multiply these two terms, product should be equal to product of first and last. Product of first term and last term. And if we try to add or subtract them, if we solve them, simplify them, it will be equal to middle term. If last term or constant term having negative sign, it means we will break this term with different signs. With different signs. It means, let's say 4x plus 2x. If you solve them, x like terms are there, minus 4 plus 2. So minus 2 will be here, minus 2x. इसको simplify करेंगे, we will get this minus 2x. When we multiply this, 4 into 2 is 8, that is minus 8, x into x is x square. Minus 8x square. When we multiply first and last term, it will be minus 8x square. If this sign is positive, if constant term sign is positive, राइट नोट कर लो, ये नोट डालो एक बार. अगर कांस्टेंट टर्म का साइन पॉजिटिव है, if c is positive, it means both splitted term have same sign. आप इसको स्प्लिट कर सकते हो इन्फिनाइट वेज में. कैसे? अगर आप इसको इंक्रीज कर दोगे -5x, इसको भी इंक्रीज कर दोगे, तो डिफरेंस इज स्टिल 2x. 6x plus 4x, still 2x, आप इंक्रीज करते जा रहे दोनों को, तो ऐसे इनफाइनाइट तरीके हैं। अपोजिट साइड क्या हो सकता है, क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है, सेकंड पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है, माइनस एक्स माइनस एक्स, अगर दोनों के साइन अगर सेम करो तब भी तो आंसर आ रहा है -2x, बट मल्टीप्लाई किसके इक्वल नहीं आ रहा, फर्स्ट और लास्ट के प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल नहीं आ रहा। ओनली एक सिंगल केस होगा जो सेटिस्फाई करेगा इस कंडीशन को, वी हैव टू कंसिडर दैट ओनली, वी विल कंसिडर दिस ओनली। इनफाइनाइट वेज में से वी विल कंसिडर ओनली सिंगल condition which satisfy this condition. Product of first and last should be equal to product of this. On simplifying, we get middle term. We will write this term as it is. This is -8. Out of these two terms, what is common? X is common only. X is taken out common, we left with x -4 because x is taken out common. Here, what is common here? 2 is common. Positive or negative? Positive. We left with x. If we divide this number with 2, because 2 is taken out common, we left with 4. If you observe, both the brackets are same. We will write them once. X minus 4 is common here now. We left with x plus 2. So second bracket is x plus 2. So these two factors are here. If we equate this equal to 0, then x is equal to 4. If we substitute 4 in this expression, we will get 0. Let's try. If we substitute 4 square, 4 square, -2 into 4, -2 into 4, -8. If you solve this, it will be 16, -8, -8, 16, -16, which is equal to 0. तो क्या आ रहा है, when we substitute this value, this expression is becomes 0. That's why this value is known as zeros of polynomial. Now consider the second as x plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to -2, so this is also 0. Two zeros are, I am assuming alpha is equal to 4, beta is equal to -2. Now substitute this value here, alpha is 4, this is -2, 4 -2, we will substitute here alpha and beta. 4 -2, which would be equal to minus b upon a. What is b? -2 और +2, माइनस का साइन ऑलरेडी था, -2. What is a here? Nothing is there, 1. Denominator 1 है. If you simplify 4 minus 2, that is 2. Minus minus become +2. Both are equal. Now multiply them. 4 into -2. If you substitute here 4 into -2, which is equal to c upon a. What is c here? -8. A 1. So -8 upon 1. If you multiply this, -8 is equal to -8. Please note down. Second part, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. In place of x, we have written different variable. No need to get confused. Okay. What are the possibilities? If we break this in two parts, two possible parts can be, this is positive, constant term is positive, both have same sign. Both should have same sign, -2s, -2s. If you add them, it will be -4s. If you multiply them, 2 into 2, -2 into -2, plus 4, s into s, s square. If you multiply first and last term, it will satisfy your requirement. So we will write 4s square minus 2s plus 1. What is common here? 2s is common here. We left with 2s minus 1. Minus 1 is common here. 2s minus 1. Both brackets are similar. 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1. Here, if we compare this is equal to 0, so 2s is equal to plus 1 and s is equal to 1 by 2. Same way, second is also same, 1 by 2. Now sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha is 1 by 2, beta is 1 by 2, which is equal to, this is a here, this is b here, this is c here. So minus b, minus already there, minus 4. We are considering only coefficients. A is 4 here, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1, 2 upon 2, that will become 1. Minus minus become plus, 4 upon 4, that is again 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Now product alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Alpha is 1 by 2, beta is 1 by 2, c is plus 1, a is 4. If you multiply them, 1 multiply 1, 2 multiply 2, which is equal to 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. Please note down. Come to third, 6x square minus 3x, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. किसको स्प्लिट करेंगे? मिडल टर्म को. मिडल टर्म कौन सी है? दिस वन. नो, यही गलती होगी एग्जाम में. Step number 1, first of all you have to arrange in order. I told you have to arrange in order, descending order. Highest exponent, this is second term, this is your second term, this is your first term, this is your second term, this is your third term. Coefficient of first term is known as a, coefficient of second term is known as b, and this third term is known as c. First of all you have to arrange it, then you have to solve it. I am arranging it and solving for you. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now split this. If you find the product, it would be 18. I told you if c is negative, both signs should be different. एक वैल्यू 7 से ग्रेटर होगी, सेकंड वैल्यू 7 से स्मॉलर होगी. 18, 9 and 2, 9 2 is 18. If I write 9x and plus 2x, when you simplify this, it will be minus 7x. When you multiply them, 9 2 is 18, x into x, x square. 6 into 3, 18, x square. तो फैक्टर्स, दो टर्म्स क्या है हमारी? 9x plus 2x. What will be taken out common? 3x will be taken out common. If you divide this term with 3x, you left with 2 and x, that is 2x. If you divide this term with 3x, x cancel, 3 से कट करेंगे, minus 3. Nothing is common, so we taken out only 1 as common. Now bracket is same. I will write once, 2x minus 3, 3x plus 1. If you substitute this equal to 0, 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to 3, and x is equal to 3 by 2. Assuming this as alpha, substituting this second term equal to 0, so 3x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this is your beta. I am assuming this as beta and this as alpha. Sum is equal to minus b upon a. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b upon a. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b. Minus is already here and b is minus 7. A is 6. You have to take LCM here. LCM is 6. You have to multiply this with 3 to make it 6. Multiply with 3, 9. Multiply with 2 to make it 6. Multiply with 2, minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7 by 6, equal to minus minus plus 7 by 6. Sum. Now product. 3 by 2 multiply minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel with 3. C by A. This is C minus 3. A is 6. If you simplify this, minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1. 1 multiply minus 1, minus 1. 2 multiply 1, 2. LHS is equal to RHS. Note down fast and try next. Okay, what is given to you? 4u square plus 8u. Now constant term is missing here. Still this is quadratic. Quadratic condition क्या है? Having exponent 2, coefficient should not be equal to 0. हाईएस्ट एक्सपोनेंट एक्सप्रेशन की क्या होगी? 2 होगी, और वो टर्म होना मैंडेटरी है. ये भी नहीं होती, स्टिल दिस इज क्वाड्रेटिक. ओके, देयर आर टू मेथड्स. अब स्प्लिट नहीं कर सकते, मिडिल टर्म नहीं है, तो वी कैन टेकन आउट 4u एज कॉमन. इफ आई टेकन आउट 4u as common, then we left with only u. Here we left with 2. Substitute this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. For u equal to 0, so u is equal to 0 upon 4, u is equal to 0. Second, if you substituting this equal to 0, this is u plus 2 equal to 0, u is equal to minus 2. Sum minus b upon a, minus b, this is b, this is a, so 0 minus 2, b is 8, minus 8 upon 4, product 0 multiply something, c is nothing, that is 0, 0 upon a. Note down fast. If you have any doubt, pause the video and watch it again. T square minus 15. Now middle term is missing here. Now middle term is missing here. T square minus 15 equal to 0. If you transpose this to the right side, t square is equal to 15. Square root both side. Square root both side means multiply with 1 by 2, exponent with 1 by 2. This will cancel out. So t is equal to 15 exponent 1 by 2, which is 15 under root. If 15 is a square number, This implies 15 is square number. If 15 is square number, then this may be the square of plus root 15 or minus root 15. If you multiply these two numbers, still you will get 15. If you multiply these two numbers, still you will get 15. So here t square is 15. We don't know, we multiply this with this or this with this. So answer would be plus minus 15, root 15. T is equal to plus minus under root 15. आई होप ये क्लियर हुआ होगा प्लस माइनस क्यों राइट करते हैं, बिकॉज टी स्क्वायर इज 15. इसका मतलब 15 आया है किसी दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने पर. रूट 15 इंटू रूट 15 इज 15, माइनस रूट 15 मल्टीप्लाई माइनस रूट 15 इज ऑल्सो 15. सो वी डोंट नो बाय विच वी गेट 15. तो बोथ कैन बी द आंसर. तो t is equal to plus minus root 15. Now sum alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha plus beta, one is positive root 15, one is negative root 15. Now middle term is missing here, so 0 upon a is 1, so 0 is equal to 0. Product plus root 15 multiply minus root 15. C upon a, C is minus 15, a is 1. When you multiply them, positive and negative, negative. Root 15 to root 15, 15. Note down first. Splitting middle term, try yourself. 4 into 3, 12. नेगेटिव साइन है, अपोजिट साइंस आएंगे. 4x प्लस 3x, अपोजिट साइंस दोनों के, और इनको सोल्व करने पे माइनस एक्स आ रहा है, तो ये फैक्टर्स बन जाएंगे आपके. व्हाट इज कॉमन हियर, 3x इज कॉमन हियर. अगर आप इनको सफलिंग कर देंगे तो भी आंसर सेम रहेगा. आंसर विल रिमेन सेम. मैं करके दिखा देता हूं अगर आपको डाउट है. 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x माइनस 4x माइनस 4. आप इनकी अगर पोजीशन चेंज कर दें तो भी आंसर विल रिमेन सेम. इफ आई विल टेकन आउट x एज कॉमन, so we left with 3x minus 4. Again taken out 1 as common, 3x minus 4. Bracket is same, 3x minus 4, x plus 1. 3x is common here. We left with x plus 1. Minus 4 is common here. X plus 1. Bracket is same, x plus 1, x plus 1. 3x minus 4. If you substitute this equal to 0, so x will be 4 upon 3. If you substitute this equal to 0, x would be minus 1. यहां से भी सेम ही आना है. सम क्या होगा आपका, माइनस बी अपॉन ए, 4/3 प्लस माइनस 1, माइनस 1. सी की बी की वैल्यू क्या है, माइनस 1. सी की वैल्यू क्या है, 3. इफ यू टेक एलसीएम हियर, 4 माइनस एलसीएम लेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 3 इंटू 3, 1/3 इक्वल टू 1/3. माइनस साइन ऑलरेडी हियर, माइनस यहां पे आता है तो माइनस माइनस बिकम प्लस. कैलकुलेट फॉर प्रोडक्ट. 4/3 multiply minus 1, minus 4 by 3, which is equal to C by A. C is minus 4, A is 3. So minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Please note down. We will proceed question number 2 in our next class. Question number 2. Find the quadratic polynomial each with given number as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Okay, this is sum and this is product of zeros. Alpha plus beta is given as 1 by 4, which is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 1, which is equal to c upon a. If you compare this and you have to put in general quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. If you observe here, a is 4, but here a is 1. It means we simplify with 4. If we multiply with 4, a will become 4, c will become minus 4. A is 4, b is minus 1. Okay, now substitute here. A value of a is, from here a is equal to 1, b is equal to, you have to change the sign. b की value यहाँ पे क्या है, minus 1 है, but you have to change the sign. b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 4. Now substitute these value a, b, c here. A is 1 x square, no need to write 1. bx, no need to write 1 even here, no need to write 1. c minus 4. So this will be a quadratic equation whose zeros are, sum of zeros is 1 by 4, product of zeros is minus 1. Note down fast. Second, sum is root 2 and product is 1 by 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to root 2 and alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 3. This is equal to minus b upon a. This is equal to c upon a. If you compare here, a is 3, a is 1. So you have to multiply with 3, multiply with 3, multiply with 3. Root 2 by 1 is equal to minus b upon a. You have to multiply with 3. C upon a is equal to 1 by 3. This would be 3 root 2, which is equal to minus b. If you transpose this sign, b is equal to this. A is equal to 3 and c is equal to 1. Now we will substitute values. What is general equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If you substitute a is equal to 3, so 3x square. Now b is this. You have to change the sign. C is 1. So this will be your final quadratic expression. Note down fast. Come to third part. 0, sum is 0. It means roots are same. Product is 5. Plus minus 5. ये तो verbally कर सकते थे आप. चलो नहीं करना तो वर्बली नहीं करना, प्रॉपरली करा देते हैं। जनरल इक्वेशन क्या होती है? ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0. लेट मी चेंज द कलर. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0. This is given to you. Alpha into beta is equal to root 5. Which is equal to c by a? This is equal to minus b by a. A is 1, a is 1, b is 0, c is root 5. So you will write this as a is 1, so 1x square, b is 0, no need to write middle term, c is, what is the value of c? Root 5, positive root 5. Next, sum is 1, product is 1. Alpha plus beta is 1 and alpha into beta is also 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1, which is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a is equal to 1. If you compare this, a is equal to 1. On comparing, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. So equation becomes ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 1 to x square, b is minus 1, you have to change the sign. So this will become x, c again 1. So this will expression will become, next part, minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Sum minus b by a, alpha plus beta minus b by a, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 4, which is equal to minus b by a is equal to 4. If you compare, product is equal to c by a, alpha into beta is equal to c by a, alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 4. A is 4, on comparing, we get a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Value of a is 4, 4x square, minus minus become plus. So this will become your answer. Last part, what is given? Sum is 4, product is 1. Sum is 4, On comparing, we get A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 1. Ax square plus bx plus c, value of A is 1, x square, b 4x, c 1. Thank you.